Good day, everyone. Today we have Alup compressor. It's a 5.5 kilowatts air compressor, around 0.7 cubic meters. It's a 10 bar air compressor. It's a combi version of the compressor. The compressor got integrated air dryer here with two line filters. The main point of this compressor is that you just hook it up to the line and that's it. You have integrated air dryer, you have air compressor right here, and 275 liter air receiver down there. So it's basically the whole system combined. This compressor is 10 bars air compressor. It's currently active. The air dryer is working. It's 9.4 bars currently in the air receiver. The compressor is up to 10 bars and it's got 15,000 hours on the clock. It's a pretty good condition air compressor. It's rarely we got one of these, but this one is actually, like I said, in pretty good condition. Their receiver is under pressure currently, so I release a little bit, just the compressor to start. This combi version of air compressor is pretty silent, even for this compact version. It's 8.7 bars in the system. It's up to 10 bars, so it's building pressure really well. That's it, 10 bars. Thank you kindly. Enjoy your day and good luck on your bids.